Hello, you're welcome to another interesting civic education class. My name is Subahat. The theme of our lesson is citizenship, and our topic is supremacy of the Constitution. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to define Constitution, define the term supremacy of the Constitution, and explain why the Constitution is supreme. In every country, there's a body of rules that governs its citizens, and these rules must be obeyed. These rules are referred to as laws. Laws are made to govern and protect citizens of a country. They also explain the roles and responsibilities of the government to the country. When laws are made and compiled, they are referred to as constitution. Now, what is a constitution? A constitution is a document that guarantees the rights and duties of citizens, as well as the responsibilities of the government and the basic laws of a country. It can also be seen as a body of laws, principles, rules, and regulations which governs a country. Another definition of a constitution is it is a set of laws that directs the affairs of a country. A constitution can either be written or unwritten. For example, Nigeria uses a written constitution, while Britain uses an unwritten constitution. Now, what does the term supremacy of the Constitution mean? Supremacy of the Constitution means that the law is above every member of the society, as well as the government and its officials. This means no one is above the law or the Constitution. Have you heard of the phrase, "The law is no respecter of persons"? This means the law is above everyone. It doesn't respect status, position, or whatever. The supremacy of the Constitution also means that there is only one law in the entire country. This law serves everyone from the different states, the different tiers of government, the different institutions. Everyone is under this Constitution. Furthermore, all government policies and programs are supposed to be subject to the Constitution. As such, any policy or program that is against the Constitution is seen as unconstitutional or illegal. Now let's take a step forward to learn about the reasons why the Constitution is supreme. There are a lot of reasons why the Constitution is supreme. Some of these are: 1. It defines the structure of power of other institutions in the country. The Constitution serves as a structure upon which other institutions and laws are made or built in the country. This is why it defines the structure of the power that these institutions have. Some examples of these institutions are social institutions, religious institutions, economic institutions, political institutions, and so on. Therefore, the laws that these institutions make are subject to the Constitution. They are not outside the main constitution of that country. This is why it is a structure upon which other laws and institutions are built. 2. It prevents oppression and discrimination. The Constitution helps to prevent oppression and discrimination of citizens of a country. This is because the Constitution creates a restraint on everyone, which includes citizens, government, its officials, other institutions, and so on. This restraint stops anyone from violating or infringing upon the rights of other people by either oppressing them or discriminating against them. 3. It assures citizens of their rights. The Constitution assures citizens of their rights because the fundamental human rights of all citizens are contained in the Constitution. As such, if any of these rights are violated or infringed upon, these citizens can seek redress or justice in a law court. 4. It creates uniformity in the country. This is achieved because there is only one constitution in the country. This one constitution applies to everyone in the country, including the 3 tiers of government, which are the federal government, the state government, and the local government. As such, the laws made by the state and bylaws made by the local government are subject to the Constitution. This means the local government and the state government cannot make laws that are outside the Constitution. This is another reason why the Constitution is supreme. Finally, it serves as a symbol of unity. The Constitution serves as a unifying factor or a symbol of unity because everyone in the country is under that one Constitution. With the diversity of languages, tribes, and cultures that makes up a country, the Constitution is one thing that unifies the citizens of that country. This is because no one is above the law. No one is higher than the law. The law or the Constitution is supreme, and everyone comes under that same law. This means that the law is no respecter of persons, and everyone is under the law, including the leaders and the followers. This is another reason why the Constitution is supreme. We have come to the end of the lesson, but before we go, let's take a recap on all that we've learned. We learned that a constitution is a body of laws, principles, rules, and regulations by which a country is governed. We also learned that the supremacy of the Constitution means that the Constitution is the law by which all citizens of a country must abide by, not considering the status or position of any person. Finally, we learned that some reasons the Constitution is supreme are: it assures citizens of their rights, and it serves as a symbol of unity. I hope you've learned something new about the supremacy of the Constitution. Now, let's test your knowledge on all that you've learned. Question 1. Which of the following explains supremacy of the Constitution? A. The body of laws by which all citizens of a country must abide by and obey. B. The body of laws that make some citizens subject and unequal to others. C. The body of law that gives preferential treatment to some special citizens. The correct answer is A. The body of laws by which all citizens of a country must abide by and obey. Question 2. Which of the following is not a reason the Constitution is supreme? A. It assures citizens of their rights. B. It creates uniformity in the country. C. It allows citizens to be educated by the government. The correct answer is C. It allows citizens to be educated by the government. I hope you can now define Constitution and explain the term, the supremacy of the Constitution. Thanks for being part of my class. See you next time.